What's up, everybody? This is your boy again, coming to you from the reversible beanie edition. This one is about one of my old favorites, RedCon1, and this is their Nitric Oxide booster. Big noise. Big noise is the absolute truth when you're talking about pump products. I used it and it is now an absolute favorite. The taste is spot on and phenomenal. The pumps that you receive from this product are second to none. This is one that I say you must go and get if you are looking for that insane, muscle tightening, blood flowing, heart pumping pump while you're in the gym. Get it, use it, watch it work. RedCon1's Big Noise. Until next time.